David Beckham, the iconic footballer, was enjoying a serene beach vacation when an unexpected visitor decided to join him, a talking parrot. Perched atop Beckham's sunbed, the bird began mimicking famous phrases from his football career, creating a surreal yet hilarious scene. Rather than shooing it away, Beckham engaged with the parrot, even attempting to teach it the phrase, "Bend it like Beckham," much to the amusement of nearby tourists. The spontaneous interaction quickly went viral, showcasing Beckham's playful nature and ability to handle unexpected situations with charm. This light-hearted moment added a unique twist to his illustrious career, endearing him even more to his global fanbase and providing a memorable story of celebrity encounters.